Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Stripe customer events in Salesforce CRM step by step clearly. First, log into your Salesforce CRM account. Navigate to the app launcher in the top left corner of the screen. Search for and select Stripe from the list of available applications. Once in the Stripe app, locate the Customers tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Customers tab to view the list of all Stripe customers. Identify the customer for whom you want to restore events. Click on the customer's name to open their detailed profile. Scroll down to find the Events section within the customer profile. If events are missing, locate the Restore Events button. Click on the Restore Events button to initiate the restoration process. A confirmation prompt will appear. Review the information carefully. After confirming, the restoration process will begin. Wait for the system to retrieve and restore the events for that customer. Once completed, the restored events will appear in the Events section. Review the restored events to ensure accuracy and completeness. Take note of any discrepancies that may need further attention. Document any important notes related to the restoration for future reference. Ensure that all restored events have the correct timestamps and details. If any issues arise, consult the support documentation for troubleshooting. Finally, log out of your Salesforce account when finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.